Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to help you understand what affiliate marketing is and what it takes to succeed at it, okay? So let's get started with this video right now. So here we are, how to understand affiliate marketing and how to be successful at it. Okay, if you're brand new to this concept of affiliate marketing, I hope this video will give you a good idea of how it works and where you could get started. Okay, guys? So what is affiliate marketing? In the very simple terms, affiliate marketing is basically you're just earning a commission by promoting other people's products and services. So you are kind of like the middleman between a customer and a merchant, meaning like a company or a brand that is selling the product or service, and you will be the bridge between the customer and that brand and company. Okay, and the goal of that is that you are going to introduce other people to the products and services that you wish to promote. And when people buy those products and services that you promote, then that's how you earn a commission. And affiliate marketing is a business model on the internet that you can literally earn thousands and thousands of dollars a month or even a day. Some people earn thousands a day from affiliate marketing, okay? So this is a huge way to earn online as well as earning passive income, because if you set it up right, you can earn any time of the day, guys, okay, and make some awesome passive income. So that means that you can earn while you're sleeping, earn while you're playing, earn while you're on vacation and spending time with your family. It is an awesome business model for you to earn online, and I've been using this business model since 2016, okay? So what do you need? First, you need to determine your niche, meaning what topic are you going to concentrate in to promote your the products and services that you want to promote. Is it going to be like a pet niche, or it could be basically anything that you have a passion for or a hobby about, because you can turn your passion and hobby into a full-blown online business. And it is recommended to use what you really love, because it will be easier for you to work on such a thing, and also it'll be easier for you to recommend other people to products and services that you kind of know about. Okay, so you do want to focus on a particular niche, because that will be a particular group of people that you'll be helping. In order for you to bridge that gap between the customer and the vendor, you are going to help people solve problems. That's kind of like the key to getting people to buy from your affiliate links, okay? Is to determine your niche that you want to help in. So let's say for the pet niche, because I mentioned that, and I have 2 dogs now. So for, let's say I just got a new pup. I did just get a new puppy, and I could be helping other people learn about how to introduce a new puppy to their older dog that's already in the house. So for me to teach other people or help other people how to do something like that, I could recommend, let's say, oh, buy this kind of leash, or buy this kind of a treat to help your dogs get used to each other, or make them share this kind of toy that they both really like, and stuff like that. So right there, I'm recommending a few items that I could link to places like Amazon.com or Target.com, where they will pay me for referring other people to go buy the pet supplies there. Okay, so that's how I can earn from a pet niche like that. So 3, you will need affiliate programs. So you need to find out about affiliate programs and what companies have affiliate programs. So what affiliate programs is, it's basically those are the programs that companies like Apple, Target, Walmart, Amazon, they have affiliate programs offered to people like you and me that we can sign up for free and start getting affiliate links to their products. So, and these are the affiliate links that you want to use to start promoting to potential customers and refer those people to the product and services you want to promote. So to learn about affiliate programs, you need to kind of read about them individually, because every single company, their affiliate program is going to be different for everybody. Okay, I mean, every affiliate program is unique, so you need to kind of take a look at each one, okay, to determine what you're going to earn, how it works, and if it's a good one to even go after, because you may not earn that much and you may not have the payout schedules that you like or payout method that you like. So there's a lot of things to determine, okay? Now, once you have your niche and your affiliate program, you will need traffic, meaning where are you going to find the customers, okay? How are you going to introduce people or refer people? And traffic online there's two ways to get it. There's free ways and there are paid ways, okay? So those are two ways. And if you're a beginner, it will be very hard for you guys to sustain an affiliate marketing business if you start with the paid traffic ways. I say this because you will first of all need a advertising budget to start with, and it's not going to be a little bit of money. You're going to need a good substantial amount of money, like $500 to $1,000 to start. So if you want to concentrate on free traffic first, it's better because it's free, right? But because it's free, it does take time for this to work. And I have built a free traffic generator that has gotten me earning with my affiliate marketing business a 4-digit online income and earning a full-time income with this online asset. And I'm going to show you what this is, okay? But it is really crucial for you guys to build an online asset to get free traffic. And an online asset is basically like my site workanywherenow.com, guys, okay? I could get thousands and thousands of visitors coming to my site, and that's how you can earn massively online, is when you can get major visitors from search engines like Google. People are searching, millions of people are searching on Google every single day, and you want your website to be found on search engines, and that is how you're going to get your website seen and your affiliate links clicked on by visitors, and they will go to the places that you want them to go buy the products and services that you recommend, and that's how you earn big commissions, guys, okay? Because depending on what you are promoting, even if you're promoting something like $1, okay, you can still earn like $1,500 a month by earning $1 commissions, okay? And I could show you stuff like that on how this works like that. But in order for you guys to learn how to create an online asset that generates its own traffic, that's what my site does. It generates its own traffic for me. Because you could build it in a way that it does that, and I don't have to go out to get clients, okay, or customers or visitors. I don't have to go and talk to anybody, and people just come to my website. Money comes to me basically this way, okay? And the key is you do need an online asset. So that's how the whole cycle works, okay? If you have an online asset on the internet, how you can make the commissions is being found on search engines with your online asset. And that's how you can make massive commissions that equate to a full-time income for yourself and your family, okay? That's how it works. It goes from people searching online and finding your site, and then if they like your content on your site, understand what you're saying, and your content tells them how to solve a problem, and that this particular product or tool is going to help them solve the problem. If they find that, if it resonates with them, that if that solution is like, oh, okay, cool, this is what I needed to do, and they'll click on it to go check out that product and service, and they go buy it, that's when you make commissions, guys, okay? That's how the whole cycle works for affiliate marketing. So how can you be successful at it? A lot of people may think that this is a scam because they are not putting full hard work into this, okay? And I could tell you that this is not an easy, meaning not like those, there's a lot of different ways to make money online. I tell you this right now. There are very easy ways to make money online, and there are more ways like this that takes hard work to make money online. And the difference between the easy ways and the harder ways is that the easy ways won't earn you much money online, guys, okay? If you've watched a lot of videos on how to make money online, a lot of those methods don't make you massive amount of money, okay? Because those are easy ways to make money online. This takes work, like real work, and you need to dedicate yourself to put in the work effort it takes to make this happen. And it's gonna be so worth it when you start making big money online, guys, and this is the way to do it. And the second success factor on top of working hard is being consistent. Consistency is a huge reason why most people will fail at affiliate marketing or making money online, period, because they are not consistent with trying the methods that they learn about online. They will maybe try for a week, a month, maybe even 2 or 3 months, and then they quit. Well, it actually takes a lot longer for you to learn all the pieces that are available for you to make this thing work, okay? This is a long-term project, guys. And if you are consistent in taking small baby steps every single week, it equates to big results in the future. Many people don't know this about online income. And this factor itself, the key success factor right here, is why most people will not make big money online. And third, nobody knows how to do this from being born here, guys. People try to get free information all the time, but you do not get complete information. And that's why you need a real training program to learn how to build an online asset that drives massive traffic on its own, and that's how you could make massive amount of money online, guys. You need to be trained on the online skills that you probably don't have because nobody's born with online skills. So you need to learn about how to gain some online skills and how to build this online asset so that you can make big money. And the training that I've used to make big money is right here. Wealthy Affiliate is where I started my affiliate marketing journey. And for you to come to this site with my face on it, and you want to have my face on the front page of Wealthy Affiliate, because then that means that you'll be signing up under me, and I'm a super affiliate on this platform, and I can really guide you if you have any questions on the training and how to apply the training, and if you're on the right success path, okay? So it is free to start for this training. You don't need to put in a credit card. You just put in your email and get started. So, but for you to get to this page, you need my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. You need to use the entire link, and there you will follow my directions to sign up at Wealthy Affiliate, and then you'll get me as your premium coach if you decide to upgrade to premium. Now, with your free account, you will still already have a free online asset on the internet by the end of the first level that you get for free, okay? There's 10 lessons for your free level, and you'll already start building your online asset right there. Now, if you want to really succeed, you need to upgrade. Okay, with your free account, you're not gonna make much money. Like I said, this is a long-term project. You need all the lessons to learn the online skills to make this online asset work, to attract its own visitors. So you need to learn the right online skills to build it in a way to make it work for you. Okay, and so make sure that when you're coming into this, you know that it's going to be a long-term thing, because if you quit too early, it's not going to work, because it takes time to build free traffic, guys. And once you build enough free traffic and your online asset starts making you money, then you can invest that money into paid traffic and really scale your online business much bigger, okay? But this is where I got started, guys. And I am a super affiliate. I could show you my video on my channel here. This is on my channel. If you just search super affiliate or wealthy affiliate, super affiliate on my channel, you will see that I attended this year's affiliate or their super affiliate conference in Vegas, and I met the owners and the other super affiliates there. And so I know I can help you with your online journey if that's what you want to do. And there's one more thing I want to show you inside, and how you can really earn $1,500 even with $1 commissions, guys. Okay, so we're inside Wealthy Affiliate here, and this is my profile. I am known as Littlemama, and so this is one of the members, one of my friends on here that I've met in person, because he's also a super affiliate. And so he's saying that, you know, you can still earn a good amount of money even if your commissions is as low as $1. And so you could sign up for free with my affiliate link here. And remember, it's workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Then you can come on this platform and search $1,500 per month from $1, and you'll see right here. See, it'll show up right here if you start typing $1,500 per month. So you could click this and it come to this story. Then you could read about the entire thing, about how he can still earn a good amount of money even though the commissions are only $1. So this is very powerful. But in order to make this, you need massive amount of people looking at your online asset. And the way to do this is by building an affiliate website. And that is what Wealthy Affiliate is expert at, is to teach you how to build an affiliate website that attracts its own visitors using techniques and strategies in their training, guys. Okay, so again, just sign up with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope you will start your journey there, and I hope I will see you on the platform very soon, and I hope I can help you, okay, in your online journey. Also, if you sign up with me, I will let you know what your bonuses are, okay, on your profile shortly after you have signed up, so that you can decide what kind of plan that you want to sign up for when you go premium. Okay, guys? So I hope you like this video, and I hope you understand affiliate marketing a little bit more from this video. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and give me a like underneath this video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my channel, as well as you learning more about how to make money online and affiliate marketing. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? I hope you will like this, and I hope I will see you on the Wealthy Affiliate platform soon, so I can help you with your online journey. Okay, guys? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.